Good morning, students. Political Science, Chapter 8, Local Government, Topic 2, Growth of Local Government. Already in last video, we have discussed about the local government. Today, we have seen that there is a three-tier structure in local government in rural areas and municipality and municipal corporations in urban areas. So, how the local government growth? Actually, first of all, in 1882, Lord Ripon, the viceroy in India from British government, brought administrative reform in local government. In India, local government earlier established, but जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म लेके आया था हमारी कंट्री के अंदर, वो लेके आए थे लॉर्ड रिपन. ही ब्रिंग सम चेंजेस in the administration system at local government. That's why he is known as the father of local government of India. इसीलिए इंडिया में लोकल गवर्नमेंट का फादर लॉर्ड रिपन को माना जाता है, बिकॉज ही फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिफॉर्म द लोकल गवर्नमेंट इन अवर कंट्री इन द ईयर 1882. Then the government of India, when British were ruling our country, they also passed some act in 1919 and 1935. First of all, the Government of India Act during British rule in 1919. In this act, the local government was also supported. The local government also strengthened in the Act of 1919. Then after Act of 1919, in the 1935, the Government Act of 1935, this act give more contribution to local government. इस एक्ट की वजह से इस एक्ट में लोकल गवर्नमेंट को और ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथन किया गया. द लोकल गवर्नमेंट बिकम मोर स्ट्रेंथन अकॉर्डिंग द गवर्नमेंट एक्ट ऑफ 1935. गांधी जी ऑल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट in the modern structure of the local government in our country, because he always supported he was also in the favor of the more power to local government and the idea of Swaraj given by Gandhi ji. In 1960, Gujarat and Maharashtra, earlier it was a combined state, was known as Bombay. In 1960, it was divided into two states, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Maharashtra became a state for a Marathi speaker and Gujarat for the Gujarati speaker. In 1960, when they became new states, they give some power to the local governments. In 1987 or 1989, during this time period also, we have seen the growth in local government in our country. Mainly, in 1992, the 73rd and 74th amendment were passed by the parliament. They were not came into effect in 1992. They were just in 1989 government introduced the acts. In 1992, first of all, they were introduced in 1989. Then they were passed from the parliament in 1992 and they came into effect in 1993. In the present time, we are experiencing the modern local government after the passed by 73rd and 74th amendment. Mainly, the local government in this topic, first of all, we discuss about the 73rd amendment. and 74th Amendment. The 73rd Amendment is also known as Panchayati Raj institutions. Mainly 73rd Amendment deals with rural local government and 74th Amendment deals with the urban local government. So there were two amendments, 73rd and 74th. 7th Amendment deals with the local government and 74th Amendment deals with the urban local government. First of all, in this video we will discuss about the 73rd Amendment. This amendment was regarding the rural local government. Rural local government is also known as Panchayati Raj institution. Panchayati Raj institution is a three-tier structure. There is a three-tier structure at village level, Gram Panchayat, at block level, Block Samiti, Panchayat Samiti or Taluka Panchayat. Then district level it is known as Jila Parishad. So it is a three-tier structure. So in 1992 the Act 70th Amendment was passed. Now in this amendment three-tier structure was adopted for Panchayati Raj institutions. The village level Gram Panchayat was as the bottom, block at intermediate, and district level was at the top. It was as the apex level. Now these three types of government and these members of these governments are directly elected by the people. The Gram Panchayat, the Block Samiti, Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad, members of these three structures, institutions are directly elected by the people. In next video we will discuss about the other provisions of 73rd Amendments. That's all for today, students.